everyone, it's Jenny, and today I have another Crowdtap unboxing for you all, which I had to open this because I wasn't sure what it was. I didn't know if it was a Unilever brand Crowd, or what it was, but I think this is actually a new brand that they have, so I'll share with you what they sent. And first off is from Love, Beauty and Planet Murumuru Butter and Rose body wash, Bountiful Moisture body wash. I think the brand is Love, Beauty and Planet. I think that's what the name of the brand is. Let's see if I can smell it and see what it smells like. It definitely does smell like rose, but it smells like rose soap, so it's not, it's kind of strong, but it's still got that soap smell to it. Let's read about it. How can you make a little difference every day in your shower? There is a clue in our name. Yes, organic coconut. Yes, natural Murumuru butter. I'm probably saying that wrong. Yes, plant-based cleansers. Yes, mild cleansers. Yes, vegan. Yes, not tested on animals. There's no sulfate cleansers, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. And the bottle's also made from 100% recycled plastic, which is a nice bottle. It is plastic, but it is nice. They've got a nice little design with the roses on it. It does come in a pump, which I appreciate. Not enough body washes come in a pump. I'm just gonna throw that out there. Does smell good. Their goal, it says, our goal is a carbon footprint so small it's like we weren't even here. We've started our journey by loading our products with mild cleansers and packing it in 100% recycled bottles. Our delicate scents are infused with natural and ethically sourced oils and extracts. We are committed to the acts of love that make you and our planet a little more beautiful every day. Find out how at lovebeautyandplanet.com. So this is really neat. I like that it's recycled. I like that it's vegan, not tested on animals. It's organic. So I can't wait to try this. I may actually do a review on these products. If anybody wants to see me do a review on these products, give me a thumbs up. That way I know. If I get at least 10 thumbs ups on it, I'll know that people want to see a review. Another product, Love and Beauty and Planet, is Shea Butter and Sandlewood shampoo, and this is for purposeful hydration. And it's got a cap that you open, like so. I'm gonna smell it. Ooh, this smells really, really good. This reminds me of something from Bath and Body Works. A vanilla. Oh, this smells really, really good. Shea butter and sandalwood. You can definitely smell the shea butter. I think it might have been cashmere. Not cashmere glow, but it was another cashmere from a few years back when I worked at Bath and Body Works. And of course it's recyclable, the recycled plastic. Get it together. Don't let hair dehydration harsh your mellow. This shampoo infused with wild shea nut butter hydrates for lusciously moisturized hair. Linger your hair in the delicate, sensual, and mysterious scent of Australian sandalwood oil. This smells so good. I cannot wait to try this on my hair. And I love how it says pampering moisture for dry hair and acts of love for our planet. Aww. And then there was one more item from Beauty and Planet. It's coconut oil, and I'm not sure if you pronounce that ylang or lang. Hope and Repair 3-in-1 benefit oil. See if we can tell what this smells like. I'm gonna just put a little on my hand so I can get a feel for what it smells like. And it does come in a nice little pump bottle, which I appreciate. I'm wondering if, here we go. And this smells really good too. It smells like, what you would expect a hair oil to smell like. It's not too overpowering. Overpowering. I can't talk. It's not too strong. It's not too strong. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Damage isn't fun. Avoid it. Use as a pre-wash deep treatment or spread 1 to 2 pumps of oil evenly throughout wet hair using hands. Work it. Avoid roots, so you don't want to get your roots oily. But I do kind of like that they say use it as a pre-wash deep treatment. I may do that. And like I said, if I get at least 10 thumbs up, I will review all of these products. If you do want me to, if you are interested in seeing the review, do you want me to review it all in one video or separate videos? Let me know. One video would probably be good, but like I said, let me know. So has anybody else tried this brand? Is anybody else in this Crowdtap? I'm excited to try this stuff. It all smells really good. Make sure you give this video a like. Comment. Like I said, if I get so many likes, I'll do reviews on these products. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Love to have you here. I'm going to keep pumping out the content. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.